And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
What a great attitude that Mike has. But I bet you if I asked Mike to play a tune on the piano about the winds last night, it'd be something like dun 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 dun, because it was like that serious, right? It was scary this morning. And when we had the strongest winds, we also had the warmest temperatures and the heaviest of rain. It was around 60 degrees early this morning. It was so warm, but not like you could go out and enjoy it because it was windy and it was rainy and probably trying to just get by in the morning until things could start to quiet down. And they did in the afternoon. The rain moved out, sun popped, winds have been dropping ever since, but so has the temperature too. We're not 61 anymore, down to 34 at TF Green, 28 Coventry, and 33 in Attleboro and North Attleboro. The temperatures themselves, it'll be cold again. Next shot, I wouldn't call it frigid air, but it's close because it's going to be in the teens tonight, around 20, and that is surging south throughout the evening. So the temperature drop is not done yet, and we will be cold when you wake up tomorrow morning. So what to expect? Cold temperatures overnight. And then for the day tomorrow, you wake up, you got some sun, right? And you're like, okay, nice quiet weather day. We could use one, right? Seems like every Friday or weekend is something. Well, we have something tomorrow too. It's not a huge storm, but there's a frontal boundary that will move through, and it sparks a few rain and snow showers in the afternoon. Some of the snow showers could be more like snow squalls, and it comes down really heavy, very quickly, and it can reduce visibility. It gets everything wet, and even though much of the precipitation will fall with the temperature near 40, as you go into the evening, what happens to wet roads? They get icy if you drop back below freezing, right? And that's the concern for tomorrow. Again, it's this huge nuisance thing for the weekend. If we could just take this frontal boundary here and just put it anywhere else in the U.S., we could actually maybe have 2 sunny days in a row. But because of this frontal boundary, it'll bring some clouds in the afternoon. Watch out for those snow and rain showers in the afternoon. And again, whatever gets wet becomes icy in the evening, and there could be some slick spots. Temperatures tomorrow, while the precipitation's falling, will be near 40, but dropping through the evening. So for tonight, speaking of dropping temperatures, yes, around 20 by morning, clear skies. Clouds move in tomorrow afternoon. You see this layer of white. You think, wow, a lot of snow. But notice your temperatures, though. They're mid to upper 30s. So a lot of this will fall in the form of snow and rain mixed and some visibility reduction. If you have any kind of snow accumulation, like very, very light on grassy surfaces, roads will stay mainly wet, which is the problem because upper 30s become low 30s by evening and you freeze it all up. Going to Sunday, we finally get one of those days where I don't have to say anything about wind. I don't have to say anything about precipitation. I just say wear a heavy jacket. It's going to be cold and sunny. And I'm loving the second half of the weekend because it's quiet. And if you want to take Monday off now, call in right now. 50 degrees and sunny. They're looking good. Rain Tuesday, Wednesday, mild 50s, and it gets cold again. Some 30s by the end of the week. And by Friday, a chance of a little wintry mix. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Getting you ready for the weekend in college hoops. We check in with the 8th-ranked PC Friars in Big Honor.